Introducing our new 18 volt, 115mm, 18 volt, 18 volt.
Where's the energy? Introducing
Nah.
Doesn't matter left or right, you stick here or right, whatever job you have is all okay.
Introducing our new 18 volt, 115mm XL angle grinder. This angle grinder will be able to generate up to a massive 8,500 RPMs. So, straight out of the box, it comes with the angle grinder itself, an auxiliary handle, and also a spanner inside for you to tighten the wheel, and the most important bit, the instruction manual. The machine has a very ergonomic design, especially with a rubber grip handle, making it very comfortable for the user. The auxiliary handle that actually comes with, you can actually stick it on the right side or the left side. So, whatever situation you're in, if you're cutting something that's awkward, like I said, you can put it on each side to make it comfortable for your cutting. We have the safety button here, which is a very important feature here, because if you want to turn the machine on, see look, you need to press this button here. Added for safety. When we say our XL machines are heavy duty, we mean it. We have added this metal protective guard for extra safety. As you can see, it is just built to last. Let's get this baby in action then. So guys, fantastic results, fantastic power. You can get one of these as a body only or even as a kit with batteries, chargers and cases. Check out yourself on toolsoftrade.co.uk.